Hello. I like acrylic nails as much as the next girl, but I wanted to see if I could survive with 5 inchers. My nails, I mean. Let's go get them. Firstly, a humongous thank you to my nail tech who went into this adventure with me. This was by far the craziest nail thing she's ever done, but I'll just let her explain how this all works.
They're gonna snap if we don't build them up to a certain level of thickness. They'll be too thin.
They're gonna be 5 inches in thick. Here's a last look at my nails before. I just foreshadowed me just like breaking my nail and crying or something.
Oh no.
And straight into it with the 5 inchers. Yeah. Can't wait to flick someone off with this. Pick my nose a little bit. I don't know how I'm gonna do anything. I'm gonna have to think so hard about absolutely every movement I make.
Metaphor for life.
Something I should probably do anyway. Oh, I think I already experienced the first time that I could possibly bend back my nail.
You scared?
Yeah. Ow. They clash on each other. I can't do anything with these. I'm actually like a little bit panicked. I don't know how I'm gonna do anything. I told her to purposely do it thinner so that I can actually just pop them off at the end, because if I go to a nail salon, I don't know what they're gonna do to me. Here are the clear acrylics on my nails, full on 5 inchers, and I had to get Ryan to feed me, but now we are satisfyingly applying the color for the first time. I figured if I was going to get 5-inch extra as heck nails, I had to get an equally crazy color, and now it's time to get back to my home life and see how they would work. We're gonna go see what Spock thinks of my new nails. Spocky! Hello! Hi, Spocky. What do you think about these? Okay, he's getting his toy. Oh, hi, Spocky. Hello. Hey. Oh, I almost stabbed his eye out. This is dangerous. Oh. Dangerous. Come here, Spock. Oh my gosh. Hey, Spock.
God, he looks rough.
What do you think, Spock? Hello. Good boy, Spock.
You guys have to watch this. He is thriving.
Good boy.
He loves the name.
Oh. After a treacherous night of trying to figure out the best position to peacefully sleep in without damaging or breaking one of my nails, sending me to the ER, I woke up to start my very first day wearing these 5-inch nails. The day began like any other of me getting ready, except absolutely everything took so much thought. The positioning of every finger mattered. Were they clashing into each other? If they did, it hurt very badly. And my getting ready process took probably triple the amount of time that it usually does. But I did actually use them as a tool sometimes, as I did here with my moisturizer. Slightly disgusting, but the only way I could get the moisturizer out. So there were some makeup things that were done just as usual and some that were a lot more difficult. Putting on clothing was interesting, to say the least. Good morning. I feel like Jeffree Star. Good morning.
You holding it with your oh my gosh.
Would you like a croissant?
Try to take a bite out of that.
These are... No, I dropped it on the floor. These things are literal tools. This morning when I took my medicine, I stabbed it open like this. Hashtag nail trend. Got a lot of stairs in Starbucks if you were wondering. Just getting some emails done. If you're an aspiring e-boy, highly recommend these. They're really good for the... I know I'm not supposed to ask for help, but I really can't tie my shoe.
It's terrifying.
Who thinks Ryan should do it next? Do you want a head scritch?
Yes. Ugh. It feels like one of those
things you buy at the store. Don't move too hard, you might break a nail. Oh, Spock wants a head scritch. I can give you a head scritch. I shall perform for you a dance. Time to go eat with these bad boys. 1 second. Okay, you just had a little booger.
Ew, Haley. This is why you made me stand here? that. Oh, God. Feels like you're literally infiltrating my soul. Haley.
Ow! You cannot hold them like
no.
that.
I'm sorry. That was gross.
This is what I look like right now. Why is this the first question that comes to everyone's mind? I also look like this lady and also this lady. Not the nails, but just the face. Take me to McDonald's. I love how in one video I'm eating McDonald's again. Instead of seeing these nails as a disadvantage, I thought
How did you just do that?
I would use them as a tool. See, what does this remind you of? Chopsticks, perhaps. We're gonna try two methods. The stabbing method and the chopstick method. Give a thumbs up if you think it's gonna work. Method number 1. Chopsticks. Oh my gosh, it actually works. I cannot believe it. Oh shoot. Okay, this is not gonna work with the honey. That's gonna be disgusting. Let's try the stabbing method. Which one of you wants to get... Oh, 2 in 1, baby!
Whoa!
Oh my gosh, my nail feels like it's gonna break off!
Who are you?
Give video a thumbs up.
I don't know what's coming of your life.
They told me I would never make it.
Oh my God.
They never believed in me. Oh yeah?
I think they were right.
Take this.
You're eating McNuggets off your fingernails. Oh my God.
Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya? Oh.
Oh my God.
Oh no. Let's try to chopstick some french fries. Oh my gosh. These are literally a tool. I might keep these around.
I feel like we're gonna find this video on a cringe compilation on YouTube.
Any price is friggin' trash.
Oh my God. Haley, you... You're gonna get us kicked out.
Cry about it. I'm gonna get ya. Welcome to the grand finale of this video. It's been a great run with these bad boys, but it's time to give them death. This actually might take a while. All right, let's do the first snipping. Oh gosh, it's thick. Ew, they look even creepier with like a blunt edge. Finally, I can pet Spock normally after this and actually pick him up because he's been very angry with me recently because I can't pick him up or do anything. Okay, it's getting thicker the further down we go. There's gotta be some joke about that. Ew! Ew, it looks even
like celery.
grosser. Looks like I'm shredding a celery down into a juicer.
Fuck, stop wiping your butt. He keeps wiping his butt on the new carpet.
Well, it probably itches. Let him wipe it then.
No, Haley, that's disgusting.
Please let me wipe my butthole on carpet. Ew. See you when they're gone. These went from the longest nails to now the worst looking nails ever, and they're so thick right here that it does not feel great. There's all my nails. Hope you liked it. Subscribe, I guess. Bye.